There's never been a better time to be in sales today. I also believe sales is perhaps tougher now than it's ever been. And there are two fundamental reasons why it's tougher today, especially for those who sell in a more complex buying process. First, technology's had a dramatic impact on how purchase decisions are made. Prospects are far more educated due to the vast amount of information and insights available online. Second, competition is more intense than it has ever been for many organizations. Through your prospect's eyes, it's a sea of sameness due to small variances in products, services, and pricing. This means that your ability to differentiate as a sales professional requires much more than being an expert in your company's products, services, features, and benefits. It means being a consultant and an advisor to help your prospects solve real business problems and issues. That's why I'm so excited to work with IPEx to help sales professionals raise the level of their game with fundamentals to navigate this new challenging reality.